Join me as I try to bring this woman face sculpture to life using only acrylic colors. Can I make it pop like never before? Adding a splash of color to a sculpture can completely transform it, giving it a new level of depth and creation. I'm excited to show you how I bring this woman face sculpture to life with acrylic color. It's amazing how a monochromatic piece can be elevated to a whole new level with just a few brushstroke of vibrant color. Making sculpture feel alive and relatable can be a real challenge. When it's just one color, it can look more like a decorative item than a living, breathing person. A monochrome finish can make the sculpture feel flat and one-dimensional. Adding color can help to create a sense of warmth and personality. The monochromatic finish can also make the sculpture feel a bit sterile, lacking the inspectional and nuisance that makes us human. By adding colors, I can create a sense of softness and vulnerability. It's all about finding that balance between realism and artistic expression. When I'm working on a sculpture, I always think about the story I want to tell with it. I want the viewers to connect with the piece of an emotional level. A monochromatic finish can make that a bit harder to achieve. I'm hoping that with the adding of color, the sculpture will start to feel more like a real person. To start, I'm selecting a range of acrylic colors that I think will complement the sculpture's features. I'm choosing a mix of skin tones from light beige to rich brown to create a natural looking complexion. I'm applying the print in these layers, building up gradually to achieve a sense of depth and luminosity. As I work on the eyes, I'm using a small brush to add subtle shading and definition. I'm also adding a touch of colors to the lips to give the sculpture a sense of vitality. The key is to enhance the features without overpowering them. I want the sculpture to still feel natural and authentic. The color process is all about experimentation and taking risks. I'm not afraid to try new things and see how they turn out. With each layers of paint, the sculptures start to feel more alive. I'm excited to see where this process takes me. As I step back to admire my work, I'm blown away by the transformation. The sculpture has gone from feeling static and lifeless to vibrant and engaging. The color adds a sense of energy and the emotion that was missing before. The before and after transformation is like night and the day. It's amazing how much a difference color can make. I'm loving the way the light catches the paint and brings out the features of the sculpture. It feels like a whole new piece. Recapping the process, it's all about experimentation, taking risks, and having fun. I'm starting with the simple monochromatic sculpture and added layers upon layers of colors, bring it to life. The significance of color in art cannot be overstated. It has the power to breathe life into still forms. I'd love to hear from your thoughts on this transformation. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you are interested in more art related content, be sure to check out my other videos on sculpturing and realistic face from sketches. Thank you very much.